Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out today's video where I'm sharing with you how I gave my front porch a makeover for fall. I used simple decor pieces and a few items that I made myself, and I love how everything turned out, and I hope that you enjoy the transformation as well. I started out by cleaning the area up a bit, sweeping, washing the bench, and removing the summer decor. After cleaning the area up a bit, I went in with my new rugs. The check print is for layering, and then the top one here just says thankful. Next, I'm placing a crate to hold my new welcome sign. This is also a DIY like the sign that I had previously, and it just says hello fall. And after letting the bench dry for a little bit, I brought in the new throw pillows and went for this orange buffalo check pattern. And it wouldn't be fall without a few pumpkins, so here I'm just adding one to my crate. And then I decided to update my lanterns a bit, so I added some orange ribbon to the top of those. These lanterns are another DIY that I did, and I have a video showing how to make these. They are actually solar lanterns, and so if you're interested in seeing how I made those, I'll link that video for you too. And the last thing I did was add some flowers. I went with mums, of course, for fall, and these are called apple cider mums. And so here I'm just repotting this large one. I added one more flower to this plant stand. This is also a DIY, and with that my porch was done. Here is a look at my porch before, and here is the after. I really hope you enjoyed watching me decorate my porch for fall. I hope it gave you some inspiration on ways that you can add some simple fall touches to your home or your porch. And that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe before leaving. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye!